Hey guys, welcome back to George Basics Crypto and Finance. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to add vanilla gift card to your Cash App. First of all, you need to open your Cash App. Then on the top right corner, you need to click your profile icon. Scroll a little bit down and choose linked banks. Here will be your linked credit cards. You need to click this plus icon right here, link debit card. So guys, vanilla gift cards counts as debit cards. So you need to enter your vanilla gift card information. You need to enter your vanilla gift card number. You need to enter the expiration date. You need to enter the CVV, which is on the back of your vanilla gift card, and you need to enter your current zip code, guys. So when you enter all of this information, you need to click linked card and your vanilla gift card will be linked to your Cash App account. That's all I wanted to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.